Hey guys, it's Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2014 Pete 389 factory built glider kit to show you today. Super excited about this one. It's heavy spec, low miles, 2WS cat. It's got everything that you'd want in a truck. 3406E, 2WS, 550 horsepower cat, 18 speed. Built 14.6, 46,000 rears, double frame, full lockers. It's got room for a drop axle if you want it. It's only got 346,000 original miles, 40,000 miles on a platinum overhaul done by Cat. It's got 2 years of OPT warranty still left. I'm going to do a full walk around for you, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, finish up on the inside. Really well done factory built glider. Let's go ahead and get started. Excellent steers. Frame rail looks good. Fenders are in great shape, grill surround, bumper, all that's real nice. This one's, you can see the lights there, it's got the hidden penny lights underneath. Love that add-on. It's got some extra things that the previous owner had done up to it, really tastefully done. Air track suspension. This one did come in on super singles. If you don't like that aspect, we can work out, get those swapped out to regular duals. Just came in yesterday. We haven't detailed or repainted anything. The back end's got a little bit of rust right there on the tail end of the frame, on the fifth wheel. Nothing really on the main part of your frame forward. Only body or paint damage I saw on this one. You got a small dent right there. I don't see anywhere else on it. That's it. That can be fixed as well. That's pretty easy. Really well done interior. Hardwood floors, dual leather seats, nice bunk area, everything's really clean. Full gauges. Love this little add-on here too, little shelf up there. Not all the way hot, it's been running for a little bit, but great low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs. Again, this one's got 2 years of warranty left until February of 28. Guys, if you've got any more questions on this particular one, give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.